Hey you guys, what is up? It's Shundara and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be putting together Innisfree's Green Tea Foam Cleanser versus Innisfree Pore Cleansing Facial Foam with Volcano Clusters. So the Innisfree Green Tea Foam Cleanser will run you $10, and the Pore Volcano Cluster Foaming Cleanser will run you $12. I just want to say this. Why is this name for longer? It's a pore clearing facial foam with volcano clusters. This one, Green Tea Foam Cleanser. So easy to say. I don't know what's going on, but let's go ahead and swatch both products. The first product we are going to swatch is the Green Tea Foam Cleanser. That is what it looks like. This is the Green Tea Foam Cleanser. It's a very creamy texture. It's almost like milk. And or like whipped cream. You know how whipped cream looks, but like a thicker version of whipped cream. So that's the Innisfree Green Tea Foam Cleanser. Now let's go ahead and do the Volcano Foam Cleanser. The Volcano one, I mean, this one is even thicker. I mean, wow. So here is the swatch. If you could see, it does have like red jojoba beads in the Volcano one. So here is the green tea and here is the Volcano one. Which one looks more creamy to you? Is it the green tea or the Volcano one? It sort of smells very cologne base. If you're sensitive to fragrances, this would be really loud for you. If you're not sensitive to fragrances, it's not so loud. It took me a while to get accustomed to it, so now it's not as loud to me as it used to be, but it sort of has like, it's supposed to mimic a green tea scent, but it's more cologne based to me. If you ask me, it's more like a manly scent, like a universal unisex scent. If you like very manly scents, this would be for you. It's not fruity, no nothing, very manly based. Now we're doing the Volcano one. This one is really light, really subtle. It's scented, but it's not loud. It's almost like a clean shampoo scent. Like, it's not as loud as the green tea. Yeah, it's very like just subtle, like your average shampoo, average clean scent. It's just really almost nice. It's almost refreshing after smelling the green tea one. I mean, if you were gonna pick on scent alone, I would tell you to go with this one because it's just not as loud. So I'm using about a nickel amount, and let me go ahead and do the same thing with the Green Tea Foam Cleanser. I do want to say this, they come out the two totally different, so I just want to make mention of that. So as I am applying them, the green tea scent slash manly scent is really loud, like loud. But I kind of feel like this is gently scrubbing my pores and cleansing my skin. And this one, the green tea one, is just really just cleansing while hydrating, if that makes sense. Like, you can almost feel it. This one feels like really thick honey, and this one feels like almost like I would say like pancake syrup. I don't know. That's just the best description I could come up with. Like a real thin pancake syrup. Yeah, so let me go ahead and get my whole nose because, you know, I want to make sure all my skin is really cleansed. This is what it looks like. Here is the green tea one. And here is the Volcano one. What do you guys think? I may have fought with the water, but you know what? My face is clean. So I'm gonna dry my face and then we'll do the close-up. So be prepared to be all in my face. Okay, so here is the Green Tea Cleanser cheek. And here is the Volcano Cleanser cheek. Here is my chin, Green Tea Volcano, and here is my forehead, Green Tea Volcano. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light down and try to close up the camera. There we go. Let's do it with the light down. Here is the green tea. What do you guys think? That's the green tea. And here is the Volcano. What do you guys think? And here is my chin, green tea. And here is my other chin, Volcano. And here is my forehead, green tea and Volcano. And then one more close up, green tea and Volcano. Let me get my mirror. It's all the way back here. I need to clean this thing. I know y'all be like, clean it, girl, clean it. We have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. If you're looking for lots of hydration, you really don't want to strip your skin of any oils. You just want something that's going to cleanse your skin without being overly drying. I think you would enjoy the green tea foam cleanser. It's going to hydrate your skin, be very gentle without stripping your skin. Also, it's just going to leave your skin nice, soft, and supple to allow you to apply your moisturizers. Now with the Volcano cleanser, this cleanser is a little more heavy duty. It's going to help with your pores. It's going to get rid of a lot of dirt, grime, and gunk and have your pores looking smooth. Like my pores were way more smoother on the Volcano foam, on the Volcano cleanser side as opposed to the green tea cleanser side. Like the green tea cleanser side made my skin look really nice, soft, and supple, but my pores didn't look as smooth as they did on the Volcano cluster side. So I say people who have really large pores, people who have lots of blackheads, people who are just really looking to get their pores really clean. I personally believe you would benefit more from the Volcano cleanser as opposed to the green tea cleanser. It's just not going to clean your pores as well as the Volcano cleanser is, in my opinion. I also believe a scent is a big deal for you. You don't really like a loud scent in your skincare. I think you would really enjoy the Volcano cleanser. The green tea cleanser scent is just really loud. It's not a bad scent. It's just really loud as opposed to the Volcano cleanser. So if you want something that's a little subtle, a little more lightweight on the scent realm of things, I think you would enjoy the Volcano cleanser. And I also want to mention, when it comes to cleansing your skin with both cleansers and applying toners, serums, moisturizers, and you know, the rest of your skincare routine, you may need more hydrating toners, serums, or essence with the Volcano cleanser as opposed to the green tea cleanser. The green tea cleanser is just really very hydrating, so you may want to do lightweight toners, moisturizers, serums, and essence on the green tea side, where you may need a little bit more hydrating toners, essence, and serums on the Volcano clusters, because it is really helping cleanse your pores and deep clean your skin. Especially, it has a lot of jojoba beads in it to do that as well. So you just are going to get way more of a clean on the Volcano side as opposed to the green tea cleanser side. When it comes to removing sunscreen, the rest of your skincare, makeup, they both do a great job in doing that. I do want to mention they do a great job to the point where you won't even have to double cleanse, in my personal opinion. You could just use these cleansers to wash your face twice and then go about your day if you're really simple and you don't need to double cleanse. In my opinion, I've done really great without double cleansing and using both of these products. However, if you enjoy double cleansing and that's something you're into, then by all means, I'm not telling you to stop. I'm just saying you don't need it if you are going to use these products, since they're just really great at cleansing the skin and overall performance. However, if you really have really bad large pores, a lot of gunk in your pores, and you just want a really good deep clean, then I would suggest you go with the Volcano one. Overall, when it comes to getting your pores clean, getting all the gunk out, the Volcano one is just going to give you a really good deep clean. If you're a person with oily skin, acne prone skin, I really think you would benefit from the Volcano one. It's just going to give you that deep clean feeling. If you're a person who's combination and you lean more on the oily side, I think you would personally enjoy the Volcano one. If you're a person who has dry skin, you don't have large pores, you lean on combination dry, I think you will really enjoy the green tea foam cleanser. It's just really a great cleanser, very hydrating. It doesn't dry the skin out. It doesn't give you that really deep clean. Now it will clean, but not get the gunk out and have your pores very stripped if that's something you don't like. If you really don't like your pores being stripped of oils, excess sebum, you need all the sebum you could get, then I think you would really enjoy the green tea cleanser as opposed to the volcano cleanser. Overall, I think they're both great cleansers. It just really depends on what you're looking for. Personally, for me, what I like to do is in the summertime, I'll use the volcano cleanser way more, and in the wintertime, I use the green tea cleanser way more. So it just depends on the seasons for me. I do find myself going with the volcano cleanser a little bit more. I just like it. I just love the feeling of the volcano ash on my face from the Jeju Island. If I'm saying it wrong, my bad. But I just feel like I'm on the island and I'm looking at the volcano and I'm just getting my skin really cleansed. Because you know, in South Korea, Jeju Island, or Jeju, I hope I'm saying it right, it's like Hawaii. So you know, I'm in South Korea and like Jeju Island in Hawaii. Look, that's what's going on in my head. With that being said, you guys, let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. Which one is your favorite cleanser? Have you tried both of these cleansers? Which one do you prefer? Let me know your experience with both cleansers down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.